Hi, this is Dennis O'Donovan with ProfitComm. Today we're chatting with Sander Bean, founder of Ready for Social. Sander, thanks for being here today.
Hey, Dennis, it's my pleasure and great to be here.
Yeah. So the first thing I'd like to start off with is, Sander, what is it that Ready for Social does?
Ready for Social helps sales teams stay active and looking awesome inside of social media. So basically, the teams are able to connect their personal LinkedIn, personal social media accounts to our platform, and our platform finds the content and puts that content out into their social media in their voice. So the captions that go out with that content sound just like them and make them look like thought leaders. And the what that happens from there is it just helps those people to sell more.
Cool. Now, why should B2B salespeople bother with social selling in the first place?
Yeah, so social selling is no longer a nice to have. It's no longer a vitamin, I would like to tell you. It's actually a pain reliever. It's something that's absolutely necessary because buyers are telling us that 85% of them are using LinkedIn, other social media to go find business solutions. So basically, any seller who's not using social media is keeping themselves sort of one arm tied behind the back from their competition, who's definitely out there trying to use social media to connect with buyers and to get involved with the decisions before those buyers make them.
Okay. Now, would you say that there is a return on investment with B2B companies using social media to sell?
Yeah, so for a long time, this was a difficult question for us to answer. But the great thing that happens with data over time is you can actually look at sales funnels and CRM data and compare that to activity inside of LinkedIn and the amount of content that's been shared and the amount of engagement that that content has received online. And engagement is something like a click-through or a like or a comment, and all of this stuff is measured inside of our platform. So what we found by looking at thousands and thousands of pieces of data is that there is actually an ROI. There's an understandable and there's a regularly knowable multiple where engagements equal conversations, and then those conversations go down a normal funnel right to revenue. So what we find is the average sales rep who's able to use our platform on a fairly regular basis is able to close 1 to 2 additional sales every 6 months using the platform. And this generates someplace between 8 and 10x ROI based on what our average cost and what the average cost and margin is for the products and services that our customers sell.
Very cool. And I can tell you, I speak from experience because I am a customer. I use the solution. It's really easy to use, especially if I can use it. So whether social media is a struggle for you or whether you just want to take your social media presence to the next level, you really, really need to look at Ready for Social. Reach out to me at the email below. Feel free to send me a LinkedIn message, and I will gladly connect you to Sander and his team for a demo. Sander, I really appreciate you being here. It's a really cool story. You got a neat product, and have a great day. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.